Steps to reclaim your time and sanity. Let's face it, our digital lives have taken over. Whether it's the constant pings or the reflexive, quick scroll that turns into an hour of wasted time, our devices are running the show. But don't worry, we're about to change that with a do-it-yourself digital detox, a way to regain control and find some peace without completely abandoning your tech. Why you need a digital detox. We've all been there. You grab your phone to check one thing and suddenly it's an hour later. Beyond wasted time, our over-reliance on digital devices leads to stress, anxiety, and sleepless nights. The goal of a detox isn't to go tech-free forever, but to build a healthier relationship with your screens. Step 1. Acknowledge the problem. First things first, admit that there's a problem. If you check your phone first thing in the morning, feel anxious without it, or spend hours a day on social media, you're due for a digital detox. Step 2. Set clear goals. Vague goals won't work here. Get specific. Do you want more time for hobbies? Less screen time before bed? Write down clear, achievable goals, like no screens for the first hour after I wake up. Step 3. Do a digital audit. Brace yourself. It's time to check your screen time stats. Take a look at how much time you spend on each app and identify which ones are the worst offenders. This will show you where to start trimming. Step 4. Declutter your digital space. Declutter your devices. Unsubscribe from newsletters. Unfollow accounts that don't add value, and delete apps that waste your time. The goal is to clean up the noise and keep only what's necessary. Number 5. Schedule no tech time. Create pockets of tech-free time every day. It can be 30 minutes in the morning, during lunch, or an hour before bed. Gradually increase this time as it starts to feel less daunting. Step 6. Embrace boredom. Believe it or not, boredom is good for you. It sparks creativity and gives your brain a break from constant stimulation. Resist the urge to fill every free moment with a screen and let your mind wander. Step 7. Try a full day detox. Once you've gotten used to your scheduled no tech time, challenge yourself to a full 24-hour detox. Pick a weekend day, leave your devices behind, and engage in offline activities like reading, cooking, or spending time in nature. Step 8. Develop long-term habits. A detox isn't a one-time fix. It's about creating lasting change. Set daily, weekly, or monthly goals to keep the balance going. Maybe one day a week becomes a tech-free day, or you adopt a no-phone rule at the dinner table. Step 9. Get support. Accountability is key. Find a friend or family member to detox with, or use an app that helps monitor your screen time and blocks distracting sites. Step 10. Celebrate your wins. Every milestone is worth celebrating. Whether you cut your screen time by 30 minutes or manage the full day without social media, reward yourself with something that makes you happy. What to expect after your detox? You'll notice better focus, more creativity, improved sleep, and less stress. Plus, you'll finally have time to do those things you've been putting off, like picking up a new hobby or reading that book, Gathering Dust. Common detox pitfalls and how to avoid them. The just one quick check trap. Before you know it, you're deep in a social media rabbit hole. Solution? Set hard limits and use app blockers to keep yourself on track. The social media temptation. Friends telling you about the latest meme. Resist. Politely explain your detox and get them to share the funny stuff later. Work emergencies. They'll pop up. Plan your detox around times where work is less intense. And remember, if it's really urgent, they'll call. Mindful tech use moving forward. After your detox, don't go back to your old ways. Be selective about your apps. Turn off unnecessary notifications and set limits on how long you spend on certain platforms. Consider creating tech-free zones in your home, like the bedroom. Final thoughts. Detoxing from your digital life can be challenging, but it's worth it. You'll regain control over your time, lower your stress levels, and finally experience moments of peace. Start small, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the benefits of living a more balanced life. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.